Hi there, students. To conciliate, a verb. Conciliatory, an adjective, or conciliating as well, an adjective. And conciliation as a noun. Okay, to conciliate is to placate somebody, to stop them being angry or unhappy or discontented. So I think the party realised that the only way to conciliate public feeling was for the Prime Minister to resign. This was the only thing that would conciliate the public, yeah? He was very rude to his friends the other night, and then when he appeared again the next time, he was very conciliatory. He was very willing to conciliate, to make concessions. You could have the opposite of that, unconciliatory as well. So conciliation is the way to calm people down. You can also use conciliate, meaning to mediate in a dispute, in an argument. So there was an arbitrator to conciliate in the dispute between the unions and the management. Okay, there was a conciliation process, a process of bringing peace and harmony, the ending of strife. Yeah. Conciliation, a form of dispute resolution, slightly less formal than mediation, to bring an argument or a problem to an end by using a neutral third party, yeah, to explore possible solutions. Okay, so a conciliation process. Okay, so let's go through these again. To conciliate, to placate. He bought her some flowers to conciliate, to try and regain her friendship and goodwill, to conciliate by behaving nicely, to conciliate, to try to finish a disagreement, to placate somebody's anger by being friendly or by changing the way you act. Yeah. To conciliate, to arbitrate between two groups, to be the arbitrator, a conciliation process. Yeah. So there was a dispute between the worker and his company, and this was sent to sent to an arbitration process to conciliate their differences. Yeah. Political parties are always trying to find ways to conciliate their critics and conciliate the voters, to make them happy about what is happening. Yeah. Okay, try to make two things compatible. He tried to conciliate the conflicting theories, yeah, or he tried to conciliate the conflicting points of view, yeah, to make compatible, to reconcile. There you go, to conciliate. Okay, yes, a complaints department needs to find a way to conciliate customers who are unhappy, yeah, to be nice to them, to give them something to placate them, to appease them, to make them less upset. So let's try some synonyms. Conciliate, to appease, to assuage, yeah, to mollify, to pacify, to placate. And then to conciliate an argument, to patch up, to make up after an argument, to make peace. Yeah, to conciliate, to make two things compatible, to harmonize, to accommodate, to reconcile. Okay, so yeah, his job was to conciliate people that were unhappy about the situation. Yeah, as an arbitrator, he has conciliated in various cases of unfair dismissal. He's mediated, he's intervened, he's arbitrated, he's made peace. Okay, and this is the idea of conciliate. Conciliation. So let's see, to conciliate, this is a pretty formal word. I'm going to give it 6.5 to 7. I think you could use it just about in a semi-formal conversation, better in a semi-formal or formal writing. Let's see, to conciliate, to reconcile, to calm somebody down. That would be a good informal way to do it. To referee as well, that would be a more informal way of saying it. Okay, so let's look at the origin now. Okay, this comes from Latin conciliatus, from the verb concilio, I unite, from concilium, a council or a meeting, from con, with, and callo, I call. So to call with, to call together. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Conciliate, conciliation, conciliatory.